Welcome to the Moss. Like, share, leave a comment if you can, and subscribe. Also, hit the notification button so we can talk about more topics or issues that affect Jamaica we need to call out. So, welcome to the Moss. Alright, drinker people, good day. We should have a party in a early day now, whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening, or even night. Put a good before you. Alright. We could get into this now. So, I see a thing on TVJ News where the minister report say from the Minister of Education say since July, not even last, since July, 167 teacher retire. Now, would I assume say them reach the age, of retirement. So that is why they choose to retire. But may I say none of that. Most of them probably retire because the pay now cut it. And for the teaching in these schools in Jamaica, it take a lot. It take a lot of toll for the teachers them, especially the school in the garrison. Where the student them feel like say, oh, teacher can't talk to them. Because none of them pitney come from homes where the father not even did it. So I just mommy or a son and them feel like them a man, so when them go to school and one little young teacher, female, just graduate have her degree and start teach and them feel like so them can't talk to them because them not big enough. You see me? Yeah, but that is a shocking news. 167 teacher retire since July. And based on what them say, more could retire also. Now, that's not good. That's not good for your country. That's not good for the country. Me hear them say, the bilateral agreement where Jamaica and Cuba have, we might have to import. They might need to bring down Cuban teachers to come work in our system. Now, we can understand Cuban teachers come, but are they, when them come, what more know what them are going to teach? Is it them are going to teach Spanish, or them are going to come teach with history? Them are going to come teach a student them maths? And say they do come, these teachers will come, are they fluent enough in English if they can pass on the knowledge or break down work for the student can understand to the level where they need to understand? So me need to know that. Me don't know that part there, but I still need to find out about that part there. Somebody can probably update me on that part there. If them get teachers from Cuba, what will the teachers teach? Okay. Alright, the next thing, when me check out this upon Google may get me information from pertaining to this. I was looking at the average paper for a Jamaican teacher monthly. Now basically what I say, for the primary level, the lowest around 41,000, something to be precise. And me check out for secondary, and them I say it would have start from around 80,000 to the highest around 27,000. Now me just try broke down the maths now. As a teacher, say I work, I go put the 130,000 a month. 130,000 a month I'm going to assume, say, after tax. If you don't want to own house, or you not stay with family, say you teach you have to try to live in a good community, and you pay rent, you look on probably $40,000 a month for rent. Versus if you have a family. So that a 40,000 out of 130,000, how much you left? You have left 90,000. You probably want to drive one good car. So you take out a little loan to get a car. You probably look for another 40,000 or 130,000. So I'm going to put the 40 then. Yeah. 40 out of 90 left for much? 50,000. Out of that, the 50,000 they know, you have to buy gas to maintain the car for a month or whatever. You look for another 20,000. Saying 20,000, you know, just for go to school and back. And that is depending if the school is near. Because if the school is far, then another problem that. Probably I look for 40,000 a month for gas. So I'm going to put it 20. What we got? 40 for rent, 40 for car loan, and 20 for gas. That's 100,000. You left 30,000. You pay your water bill, you pay your light bill. So we pay 10,000. You left another 20,000. 110,000 that. You have to buy food. If you have pitney, which part of money do you take care of pitney? If you have pitney, which part the money there? If you buy your pitney this, you buy your pitney that, back to school I come up, all them things there. So me can see the sense, if a teacher get a better opportunity in a different country, why them not run with it? If I so be the case, why them not retire? Why them don't run with it? Mood run with it too. Because the environment itself enough, stressing for enough teacher working now. And then the peer can maintain your lifestyle where you have to live. You feel me? And the government, they not see them something, you have to call them out. The government, they not see them something, if you know, say, yo, a teacher, they must struggle. A teacher, they must struggle. And if a teacher, they must struggle financially, they must go struggle mentally, emotionally. Them now can do them work. Them now can do them work physically. Because they must suffer. And then you find out the teacher does go to school because they have to turn up. But when you check the stats, them when you work out the average, like all the students them are do. God bless if you can find a couple students where do good. But all you fi tell a man saying for go work hard every day and him not get the money for go work hard every day, it hard. So I can see why people are migrate. Alright. 120,000, 30,000 a month. I'm give you all our expense, rent, car note, this, that. Imagine all if a student loan there that bad, man. Me forget imagine a student loan there that. Come on, man. Jamaica need to do something better, man. The government, them need to do something. Them need to allocate money better. The big heads them in a Ministry of Education thief so much money out of the system and do what they want to do. But them not pay the teacher them adequate. And that's why the teacher them have to migrate and go look work somewhere else. Come on, man. Me mention a thing what they want me say on a channel. Sir Peter will talk about brain drain. Jamaica the second panelist in terms of brain drain. Worldwide. Jamaica ranks second panelist in terms of brain drain. Do some research, me find out what brain drain mean. Uno go Google it and do your research. Skilled workers will migrate out of their country. People who are left them, nobody now want to steer Jamaica. Because Jamaica not take care of them people. And hence, that's why you have so much corruption. That's why we have so much corruption, because the system, the government, them not pay the people them the right, how them pay them. All them do a rob and thief up the money. And them and them friend live in a big house uptown and laugh and gallivant and go on with themselves. While the people we forget the right, they pay the right way, if you uplift the country, them now get paid the right way. You see me? We need to call out the government for things like this. Call them out. We need more protests go on. Every little thing we protest about. Teacher for protest. Police for protest. Everybody for protest. Soldier for... Well, soldier now protest, because soldier thing different. Nurse for protest. You see me? Everybody